Hey guys, Ozgrillis here, and today we're going to talk about hype trains. Let's do it. Alright guys, first things first, a little bit about this channel is we do streaming tutorial videos. We have tutorials on Twitch, Streamlabs OBS. We have videos on design as well as videos on how to grow your stream or grow other social medias. And we have a podcast called Talking Corner where we go over different techniques to grow your stream and kind of keep up with industry news. If any of that tickles your fancy, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to the video. Alright, so I take it you guys have been seeing some hype trains on Twitch. You're kind of wondering, how do you get the hype trains? What are the hype trains? And how can I get it onto my stream? So the first thing you need to be is to be an affiliate on Twitch at least. To be an affiliate on Twitch, you need to have certain requirements done on your stream. If you want to know how to do it or techniques how to do it, check out this video here and it goes over different ways you can become an affiliate. Alright, but to see the settings and see how it is triggered, what you want to do is go to the Twitch homepage and you want to go at the top right here to your face and click it and then go to create a dashboard. What you want to do then is hit preferences and then go to affiliate. You won't have this if you're not affiliate. Yet again, check out that video that just come up. It's in the description as well of how you can become affiliate. What you want to do now is go down to hype train, which is under the community support and recognition tab. So you hit that and it comes up with the hype train settings. Hype trains are kicked off when there's a few support events within a 5-minute window, such as 100 bits is a support event, a sub is a support event, stuff like that. So what you have here is support events. So I'm going to set it 3, which is the minimum you can have to kick off the hype train, and that means 3 different accounts need to drop either bits or a sub for it to trigger. If you're a big time streamer or you want to make it hard, obviously you increase that, so you'd have to have 25 different people do it, or 10 or whatever. I'm just going to leave it on 3 as still growing, and obviously we don't want to make it too hard on the wallet of our viewers as well. So what you need to do is at least 100 bits, any tier sub and any gift sub counts as a support event, and you need 3 people in a 5-minute window to trigger one of those support events to kick off the hype train. Now you got your level goals, so you can set it easy, medium, hard, super hard, or insane. I've got mine on easy as well. To complete level 1 of the hype train, you need to send in a combined support events totaling 3.2 tier 1 subs or 1600 bits, and then it gets harder each level after that. If you go to insane, you need 20 tier 1 subs or 10,000 bits to go up level 1, which is crazy. Then there's a cooldown period, so you're not having it going too often, as it's supposed to be pretty exciting and pretty rare. I've got mine at 1 hour, but I could easily make it anything there, and it doesn't go off that frequently, so you wouldn't do that. Then you can also choose an emote. I've picked my Ozgrill Happy emote where it comes up next to the hype there. Just a bit of fun customization you can do, so you just put any emote that you have in there. And if you wanted to check out some free emotes, check out this video as well. I've made some which I've put into my Discord that you can just use whenever you want. Once you've picked everything you want, just go save changes and make sure you have enable hype train linked as well. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for hype trains. If you have any more questions about it, hit it in the comments below. I try and answer every single comment as much as I can. And if you wanted to join the Discord and get those free emotes, the link is also down below. It is called Gamers Corner, and it is myself and 3 other awesome people who are the owners of that Discord, and it is a community Discord for streamers and viewers alike. Trying to get everyone to grow together who streams and keep those viewers entertained as well at the same time. So if that interests you, make sure you hit that link and join the Discord. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you wanted to sub, please do. There's heaps of content like this. We're over 90 videos now. A lot of them need to be upgraded, but that's on me. So anyway guys, cheers.